Welcome to today's video on creating a study group for collaborative learning and support. In this video, we will explore the benefits of studying in a group and provide step-by-step guidance on how to form your own study group. Studying in a group offers various advantages. Firstly, it promotes active learning through discussions and solving problems collectively. It also helps to clarify doubts and gain new perspectives on the study material. Moreover, studying in a group enhances motivation and accountability among members. The first step in creating a study group is to define its purpose. Are you looking to revise specific topics, complete assignments, or prepare for exams? Clearly defining the purpose will help attract like-minded individuals and ensure everyone is on the same page. Next, you need to find potential members for your study group. Approach classmates, friends, or even reach out to online communities related to your field of study. Look for individuals who are committed, reliable, and share similar academic goals. Once you have gathered potential members, it's important to establish group rules. Discuss and decide on meeting schedules, expectations, and guidelines for contributing and participating in the group. This will ensure a structured and productive study environment. As a group, decide on the study methods that work best for everyone. It could be reading together, solving practice problems, creating study guides, or teaching each other concepts. By aligning study methods, you can maximize the group's effectiveness and efficiency. Setting goals and tracking progress is essential for a study group's success. Define specific objectives for each session and keep track of the group's achievements. Celebrate milestones and provide support and encouragement to keep everyone motivated. In conclusion, creating a study group for collaborative learning and support can greatly enhance your academic journey. It provides a platform for exchanging knowledge, clarifying doubts, and staying motivated. So why study alone when you can study together? Start forming your study group today and reap the benefits.